This is Sherry Rind reading Woman Encircled by a Flight of Birds in the Night, a painting by Joan Miró, 1968. There are holes in the night's fabric, a memory of carrying grapes from fields where wood pigeons foraged. In the distance, a star holds up the sky for her. She is lined in a sweep of neck, back, and buttock, the bent gait of her leg. Shoes and dress discarded, she has walked far to be here, among shooting stars and floating lights, the open quiet away from the city. Birds lift around her in one fluttering move, quick and disciplined. Their feathers plant color. Goldfinch, bullfinch, green woodpecker, blue and white magpie. Their music a slow beat as they encircle her, the pattern of their flight made visible. She bends forward and reaches out her arms into the sweep of air. Their wings pull around her until they fly as far from touch as stars.